Hi guys, how's it going? I know it's been quite a while. I haven't posted a video. It's because of the school event and everything like that. So yeah, and right now I'm gonna do a random video. I'm gonna go acoustic song, because apparently I tried playing it with music and nada, so I'm gonna try to go acoustic. A ver cómo me sale. Let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, hope you like it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new. I will also post more videos, maybe different ones, different than this one, on this channel. And on my other channel I will post my last video. I will post a link on my last video for my other channel on the description down below. I know you could barely see my face because right now I don't have that much lighting, because I am using one of these, so that's how you could barely see me. So yeah. Ooh, not bad an idea. So I don't know if you guys could see me or not, but like I'm trying to aim the light to the camera. I know I like the effect that comes out though. I like it. Sorry, I kind of like the effect. So yeah, so hope you guys like it. I know the lighting is like screwing the camera up, but it's something, no? But like I'd rather face it to me like that, just my face, because that's all you guys need to see right now. So hope you guys like it, and like and subscribe. So I'll give it my best, okay? The Time of My Life by David Cook. Okay, so here we go. I've been waiting for my dreams to turn into something I could believe in, and looking for that magic rainbow on the horizon. I couldn't see it until I let go, gave in to love, and watched all my bitterness burn. Now I'm coming alive, body and soul, and feeling my world start to turn. And I'll taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time. This is the time to be more than a name or face in the crowd. I know this is the time. This is the time of my life. Time of my life. Holding on to things that vanished into the air. Left my in pieces, but now I'm rising from the ashes, finding my wings, and all that I needed was there all along, within my reach, as close as the beat of my heart. So I'll taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time. This is the time to be more than a name or face in the crowd. I know this is the time. This is the time of my life. Time of my life. And I'm on the edge of forever, ready to run. I'm keeping my feet on the ground, my arms open wide, my face to the sun. I'll taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time. This is the time to be more than a name or facing the crowd. I know this is the time. This is the time of my life. Time of my life. More than a name or facing the crowd. This is the time. This is the time of my life. This is the time of my life. Okay. Sorry. That was the acoustic version of Time of My Life by David Cook. I really like the song. There's a meaning to it. So yeah. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah. Hope you guys like it, and hope give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will post the link of my other channel. I'll put it down in the description box below. And yeah, hope I get to see more subscribers on this channel and the other channel as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.